This right here is the RedMagic 12 Pro Plus, a phone that doesn't just whisper gaming, it screams it. Neon lights, RGB strips, a turbofan zero. Apologies. But today, we're doing something different. We're not gaming, we're not running benchmarks, we're doing the forbidden ritual. A first look, followed immediately by a full teardown. We're cracking this beast open, layer by layer, to answer the two questions you've all been shouting in the comments. Where is the liquid cooling? And, is this thing actually waterproof? So grab your tools. Let's commit a little tech crime. Out of the box, the RedMagic 12 Pro Plus looks like it just escaped from a cyberpunk arcade. Flat glass on the front, flat glass on the back. And get this, a completely flat camera module. Zero camera bump. The engineers deserve a raise for that alone. That transparent back panel isn't just for show either. You can already see the cooling fan, that RGB spine, and the aggressive, symmetrical layout inside. It's pure old-school gamer energy. But hey, looks are temporary. Screws are forever. Let's get this thing open. SIM tray out, heat gun on, and as the back glass starts to lift, wow, you can feel it immediately. This phone is dense. It is packed tight. There is absolutely no wasted space. No mercy for the components inside. Alright, let's bust a myth. There is no sloshing liquid tank inside this phone. No tiny aquarium. Instead, RedMagic uses a multi-layer cooling system. We're talking a massive vapor chamber, multiple copper heat spreaders, graphene sheets, and thermal gel. And of course, the star of the show, the active cooling fan. Yes, an actual spinning fan inside a smartphone, which is still wild. This fan pulls heat directly from the Snapdragon chipset and blasts it out through dedicated vents. It's not a gimmick, it's functional, it gets loud under load, and it is brutally effective. This is PC cooling logic stuffed into a phone. Now, let's peel back the shielding to reveal the heart. The flagship Snapdragon Silicon, wrapped in copper foil like it's going to war. There's thermal paste everywhere, with pads layered up like lasagna. RedMagic clearly built this phone to be abused for hours of intense gaming. Then we get to the battery. The dual-cell layout enables that insane fast charging. You can see the thick power lines and heavy-duty connectors. This isn't delicate, it's industrial. They prioritize charging speed and thermal safety over being slim. So, the final question, is it waterproof? The short answer is no. The long answer is absolutely not. Those air vents for the fan, they are wide open highways for water. Rain? That's risky. A drop in the sink? It's over. Would you daily drive this beast? Or is this a second phone, built purely for war? Let me know in the comments below.